So in this video, we're going to talk about how to use these Excel mathematical functions, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But before you could do that, let's talk about how to insert a table. So to insert a table, just simply highlight your data, go to insert, click table, and this is going to pop up on your screen. Just click OK. So that's how you could insert the table. So for addition, just type in equal, highlight your data, plus sign in the second column, press enter. So to autofill this, just extend it. So there's about two other left method that you could use to sum up two numbers or more using Excel. So just type in equal, sum function. Now highlight your data, your range, and press enter. To autofill this, you can simply just double click on your bottom right corner when you see this small positive sign. So another method you could use, just type in equal, sum again, select your first number, comma, highlight your second number, enter. You can extend it to autofill it. So that's how you could use Excel formula to sum up two numbers. For subtraction, just type in equal, sum, highlight your first data, minus the second data, enter. Now you can just extend it to autofill this. For multiplication, just type in equal, highlight your first data, multiplication sign or times the second number, enter. So to autofill this, simply double click when you see a small positive sign on the bottom right corner. So for division, type in equal, highlight your first number, slash your second number, and enter. To autofill, simply drag it down. So that's how you could use these four mathematical functions in Excel. And we also spoke about how to insert a table. So again, let's say maybe you want to insert a table. Just simply highlight your data, go to insert table, and click OK. So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe so that others can discover my channel. Thanks for watching.